Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Madhushmita and you are welcome to Dear Wallet. So today in this video, I'm going to review all the Mamaearth products that I own. This video is not sponsored at all. This is my honest review for you guys, and I've also reviewed all these products on my Instagram, which are in collaboration, but some of the products were not in collaboration. I'm going to review them as well. If you're interested to know my views on Mamaearth products, then please continue watching. So before I review all these products, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. First, I'm going to review these most hyped products from Mamaearth, which are the hair mask. So I have two hair masks with me. First one is the Mamaearth Tea Tree Hair Mask. It has tea tree, argan and lemon oil, which are very good for your dandruff. See, it's over. The price of this hair mask is rupees 599. I brought this last October, like last year October May. It lasted me for about 2 to 3 months. I don't remember because I used to apply this on a regular basis. Like whenever I used to shampoo my hair, month of November and December in winter times, I get dandruff just like anything. Dandruff is the most irritating part of my life. Trust me, it did wonders to my hair. Dry and itchy scalp, it really prevented. 2 to 3 washes, I saw this difference that the flakiness which I used to show up on my hair like very easily, it has reduced a lot. I had so much itchy scalp, like every night I used to itch my scalp just like anything. It also reduced that as well from 50% to 0%. I mean, I was so happy. It's over and my dandruff is back, so I'm definitely gonna buy one more of this hair mask. Second hair mask is the onion hair mask. This is specially for hair fall and it has onion oil and organic bamboo vinegar. Both of these ingredients are very good. And I'm almost over, बस थोड़ा सा ही बचा है. I'm going to get over soon. So I brought this, I guess 3 months back. Yeah, I guess I brought it in the month of January. I haven't seen much difference in my hair fall. 100%, it did reduce to 50%, but not too much. So I think I have to buy one more hair mask to see if the result persists. Yeah, but I think that I have seen some difference. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने कुछ difference देखा नहीं है. I've seen some difference, but from 100 to 50% in 2 months. I really love it. It did work. So yeah, both of these hair masks cost rupees 599. I know it's a bit costly, but if you buy from their official website, then you can use some YouTubers code. Like there are many YouTubers which have their own code. I'm not going to promote their code obviously. If it is a prepaid order, then obviously you are going to get 50% off on their website, which is really good. I personally got this from their official website and not from Nykaa or anywhere else because they were in huge discount. I have all their skincare products, like most of them are skincare products. So first I'm going to talk about the Mamaearth Skin Illuminating Face Serum. This is their vitamin C serum. If you are following me on Instagram, you would know how much I love this serum. It gave me a really good glow. Like after using it for 7 days, my pigmentation were reduced, my hyperpigmentation were reduced, then the blackness around my was reduced a lot. It gave me a beautiful glow on my face, and you people also noticed that, and I started getting comments like you are glowing, you are glowing, you are glowing. Oh my god, thank you so much for all the love. So it's all because of the serum. I really love this. It's over, guys. It's over.
It's completely over.
And the cost of this is rupees 599 again. But I feel that it is genuinely affordable क्योंकि अगर बाकी विटामिन सी देखो तो इतने ही प्राइस में आता है. So I believe that it is worth it, guys. So if you are suffering from pigmentation, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or if you have dull skin, then I would highly recommend you guys to go for this face serum. Next, I have the Mamaearth Vitamin C Toner. बहुत ज़्यादा है, मैं इसको ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं कर रही हूँ अभी बिकॉज आई एम यूजिंग माई पिक्सी ब्यूटी टोनर राइट नाउ. सो अगेन दिस इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल टोनर, गाइज. सो it helps in tightening my pores, also gives that good glow. Both of these products together works amazing. So if you are planning to get the serum, make sure that you get this toner as well because both of them will do wonders to your skin. Cost of this is rupees 400. For 400 you are getting also 200 ml of product, so I think it's worth it. Next product that I got for my first collaboration is this Mamaearth Anti-Pollution Face Cream. So basically this is just an anti-pollution face cream, but however the thing that I like about this product is that after you apply this product you do not have to apply a lot of moisturizer, just a sunscreen is enough. I guess the cost of this is rupees 300 something. It will be there in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. Oil free face cream, so if you are a college going girl, school going girl, so you just have to apply this face cream and top it off with a sunscreen and you are good to go. You do not have to invest in a good moisturizer because this product is enough. Trust me, it's enough. Also, all the Mamaearth face products that I have used have never given me a side effects or something like that, or because all are paraben and chemical free, hence all suits my skins very well. This is their latest launch which I got for collaboration. This is the Mamaearth Upton face scrub. Now I haven't yet reviewed this on my Instagram, but it will be up soon by end of this week, I guess. So this is their Upton face scrub. This is a physical exfoliator and I'm not a big fan of physical exfoliator, but trust me, the beads are super soft, guys. So whenever you apply it, you will not feel that it is a scrub. I'll just show you the consistency. So this is how the consistency looks like. There is small beads as well. They are not big, they are not huge. They will not hurt your face because the beads are super duper soft. That's the only reason why I love this one. Instantly it is going to give you that brightness. It will remove your tan, and also if you have blackheads or whiteheads, it is definitely gonna reduce it. The cost of this is rupees 349. I guess it is worth it. I mean, yeah, it is kind of affordable and you are getting 100 grams of product, so yeah, it's really nice. I am meaning to buy their Upton face pack as well. I'm very excited to buy it, but not now. Coming months I'm definitely gonna buy their Upton face mask as well. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.